Code of Professional Responsibility. Chapter 3: The Lawyer and the Courts.
Canon 10. A lawyer owes candor, fairness, and good faith to the court. Rule 10.1. A lawyer shall not do any falsehood, nor consent to the doing of any in court, nor shall he mislead or allow the court to be misled by any artifice. Rule 10.2. A lawyer shall not knowingly misquote or misrepresent the contents of a paper, the language or the argument of opposing counsel, or the text of a decision or authority, or knowingly cite as law a provision already rendered inoperative by repeal or amendment, or assert as fact that which has not been proved. Rule 10.3. A lawyer shall observe the rules of procedure and shall not misuse them to defeat the ends of justice. Canon 11. A lawyer shall observe and maintain the respect due to the courts and to judicial officers, and should insist on similar conduct by others. Rule 11.1. A lawyer shall appear in court properly attired. Rule 11.2. A lawyer shall punctually appear at court hearings. Rule 11.3. A lawyer shall abstain from scandalous, offensive, or menacing language or behavior before the courts. Rule 11.4. A lawyer shall not attribute to a judge motives not supported by the record or having no materiality to the case. Rule 11.5. A lawyer shall submit grievances against a judge to the proper authorities only. Canon 12. A lawyer shall exert every effort and consider it his duty to assist in the speedy and efficient administration of justice. Rule 12.1. A lawyer shall not appear for trial unless he has adequately prepared himself with the law and the facts of his case, the evidence he will adduce, and the order of its preference. He should also be ready with the original documents for comparison with the copies. Rule 12.2. A lawyer shall not file multiple actions arising from the same cause. Rule 12.3. A lawyer shall not, after obtaining extensions of time to the pleadings, memoranda, or briefs, let the period lapse without submitting the same or offering an explanation for his failure to do so. Rule 12.4. A lawyer shall not unduly delay a case, impede the execution of a judgment, or misuse court processes. Rule 12.5. A lawyer shall refrain from talking to his witness during a break or recess in the trial, while the witness is still under examination. Rule 12.6. A lawyer shall not knowingly assist a witness to misrepresent himself or to impersonate another. Rule 12.7. A lawyer shall not abuse, browbeat, or harass a witness, nor needlessly inconvenience him. Rule 12.8. A lawyer shall avoid testifying in behalf of his client except a. On formal matters, such as the mailing, authentication, or custody of an instrument and the like, or b. On substantial matters, in cases where his testimony is essential to the ends of justice, in which event he must, during his testimony, entrust the trial of the case to another counsel. Canon 13. A lawyer shall not rely upon the merits of his cause and refrain from any impropriety which tends to influence or gives the appearance of influencing the court. Rule 13.1. A lawyer shall not extend extraordinary attention or hospitality to, nor seek opportunity for, cultivating familiarity with judges. Rule 13.2. A lawyer shall not make public statements in the media regarding a pending case tending to arouse public opinion for or against a party. Rule 13.3. A lawyer shall not brook or invite interference by another branch or agency of the government in the normal course of judicial proceedings.